What's going on YouTube? Back with a quick video. Today I'm prepping my tires that I just got recently installed for either the natural rubber look or for tire shine. Something I just discovered. I had this product laying around. Just wanted to show you what I did. So here we go. Alright, what I got here is some Krud Kutter house and siding. I had it laying around in my garage. I actually use it to do the siding on my house. Put it in the pressure washer and does a pretty good job on the siding. I've been told that you can use like mineral spirits or whatnot to get them prepped up as well. But as you can see on the tire, it's got like this white film all around it. I just got done washing the car and tried scrubbing it with soapy water, and it didn't touch it. So I thought I'd give this a shot before going out and buying the mineral spirits. So I just put a little bit in a bucket, as you can see, and I got a little scrub brush here. And we're just gonna go around and scrub this off real good. And as you can see, it's already cutting right through this film. It might even be like the lubricant that they put on the tire to get it ready for mounting on the rim. I'm not really sure, or if it's something that, you know, comes from the factory, you know, to kind of preserve the rubber, or like a wax or something maybe they put on it. I'm not really sure, but it didn't want to come off with soapy water, and I scrubbed the heck out of it. So show you what it does to this this tire here. A little bit more. You know, I'm a couple minutes into it, maybe not even a minute or two. Do a quick once over. Now I prefer using some tire shine, so that's probably what I'm going to end up doing here. And I just take a microfiber. This is one that I've used to clean the rims before. But but if you like that natural look, this will give you that too. Rather than going out and buying that mineral spirits that I'm going to have probably a container of sitting around for, you know, I'm not a detailer or anything like that, just somebody that likes detailing my car and wanted to have these things cleaned up a little bit. But as you can see, that baby's ready to be either shined up or just left like it is. There's like a little bit of glue from the sticker or something like that. I'll get that off, but probably just maybe scrub it a little bit more. But as you can see though, whatever was on there is off. So there you go. Yeah, if you're looking to clean up your tires after getting them put on, this stuff will do the trick. Again, it's Krud Kutters. I'm not associated with them by any means, but just had it laying around in my garage, and like I said, I used it for doing the siding, so it seemed to work pretty well on the tires. Thanks for watching.